guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another makeup tutorial. This time not a review. Back to our tutorial. I really got inspired because I got this new Stilia Magnificent Metals glitter. I think this is shimmer and glow. Yeah, they're liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade La Duche, something like that. I really inspired when I got that. It's just such a pretty color. I just had to have something like that in my collection. And if you don't know me, you may not know, green is my favorite color. Like, I just live for green. I think green looks so good on me. I think green is just the prettiest color in the world, and money is green. So that's why I kind of did this look today, and I like how it came out. It's kind of like a halo eye. It's not like smoky just in the outer corners, also in the inner corner. So it's like a kind of halo smoky eye, if you get what I'm saying, but all green, neutral lip. Also, I got another new hairstyle. You guys know I'm always flicking it out with the wigs, you know, the wigs. I gotta keep them straight and cute, you know. Okay, so it's a long bob. I like it. Let me know if you like it in the description box down below. If you don't, I really don't care. Just joking, cut that out. So this is the look that we created today. I'm not gonna ramble on because that's lame. But before we hop into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And without further ado, let's head right into that video. Okay, starting off the video with some eyeshadow primer. This is the Essence eyeshadow primer. Put that all over my lid. I'm gonna buff that in. I actually ended up changing my eyeshadow base and went in with a concealer, but you'll see that later on in the video. Living and learn. I'm gonna set that down with some translucent powder. I always set my eyeshadow base. Then I'm gonna go in with this color Finkle from the 39A palette. Of course, you guys know that I love this palette so much, and I'm just kind of putting this color in like a kind of triangular shape on the outer corners of my eye. I'm just going to build that color up. It's a very pigmented color. I mean, all the colors in this 39A palette is very pigmented, so just take it little by little. I'm going to take that same color and put it in the inner corner. It's kind of like a halo look that we're going for. I'm using a kind of pointy brush. I think I'm using a Morphe brush. The name escapes me right now, but I'm just taking that and building up that color. Look how pigmented this is on my dark skin. Like, I was super hyped, as you can see. Then I'm going to take a brush with no pigment on it and kind of just blend between those two, because I really don't want a shadow in the middle, because like I said, I'm going to kind of do like a halo-ish type of eye. Then I'm going to take this other color from the 39A palette. It's called Pine. It's a darker green. It's more of a mossy green. Not even really. It's kind of like a pukey green. Not to make you guys want to think of puke, but that's just the color that it kind of reminds me of. And I'm taking it a little bit lower than the Finkle shade and putting that into my outer and inner corner. Take your time with this. At first, when you do it, it's going to look sloppy, but that's okay. It's going to turn out good in the long run. So it's not going to be perfect, but just blending those edges out and going back in and blending those two colors together again. Now I'm taking Muse, which is just a black. If you have a black eyeshadow, it will work. And I'm just blending that along the lower lash part of the outer corner, if that makes any sense. I mean, you guys can see it better than me describing it. I'm just smoking up those corners. This is going to add a lot of definition to those green shades, just because they're dark, but they're not super dark. Then I'm taking this La Duche shade from the Stilia collection, the liquid eyeshadow collection, and I'm putting that right in the middle. I just put little dots and I kind of blended it out with my MAC 242 brush. It's easier, it looks better this way, because it's harder to blend out the edges once it's like dried. So I suggest putting little by little and just building up your intensity, because that's what I did on both eyes. And as you can see, I'm just like dying over this look. So I'll be back full face. Can you recognize me? Just joking. So I'm taking the Inglot liner in number 77 and I'm tight lining my lower lash line. I'm just like really putting it in my waterline, and then I'm going to take that same eyeliner and put it along the lower lash line, just to make my eyes really smoky, add some definition. And then I'm going to take on a flat brush that Muse shade, which is the dark black, and just kind of smoke out that eyeshadow. You don't want it to be too harsh, so that is what I am doing right here. And then after I kind of smoke out that eyeshadow, sorry, the eyeliner to my intensity, then I'm going to take Pine and I'm blending out that dark brown, sorry, that dark black on my lower lash line. And then I'm going in with Le Peach from the Artist Couture Jackie Aina collection. I just went in highlighting my face. Like, I love to highlight with this color. Like, this color is so beautiful. Like, I can't even describe how beautiful it is. At first I didn't like it, and then the more I use it, the more it grew on me, which is like most makeup products that I use. I always hate it at first, and then it grows on me. So that's what I'm doing here, just highlighting. Then I'm going to go in with the beauty sponge, wet that, and just set down the highlight because I don't want it to look really powdery. You just want it to kind of melt all into the makeup. Then I'm taking Peachtwist from MAC, and I'm putting that in my blush areas. Then I'm going to go to lips, and I'm going to take Cork from MAC, and I'm going to sharpen it up, and then I'm going to outline my lips. I'm actually going to overdraw my top lip. I told you guys that's what I've been into. It's going to ask me why. It just makes my lips look more fuller. Even though I have full lips, I just like how pretty it looks. It gives my top lip a lot of definition. And then after I'm done with that, I'm going to take Dose of Color Supernaturl lipstick, liquid lipstick, and I'm put that kind of in the middle of my lips. And then I'm just kind of want to blend it out so we get to the liner, because this lipstick can kind of like mute out your whole lips and you have like those powdered donut lips, which I don't want. So that's why I'm taking my finger and kind of blending it out before I go in with MAC See-Thru lip gloss, and I'm gonna put that all over my lips. Ooh, I love this lip gloss. It's so shiny and it makes my lips look so juicy, and it doesn't really have a color. I guess that's why it's called See-Thru. So it's nude and it just gives my lips super glossy lips. I love it. Alright guys, that completes this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I hope you guys had a good time watching it as much as I had a good time at filming it. I just like green. Green is a thing for me. So, you know, I haven't done any green eyeshadow looks on my channel, which is very, very weird. So I had to hop on camera, put a little green all up in the creases and stuff like that. But that's it for this video. Again, I'm not going to ramble on. I love you guys. Bye guys.